How y'all doing? We're mid-process of getting ready to button up the front end here. I wanted to show you the DRL kit that we're using on this. As you can see, this is a wire swap kit. That means we remove the OEM wire, we swap it with our wire here, green, and we attach our other wire to the OEM wire. It's completely reversible, and it's a cut-free install. No factory wires are cut. Completely reversible wire swap. You can see over here, we did the same thing. We swapped that OEM wire for our WAF kit wire, and we were able to attach here to the OEM terminal. There's a mated terminal on the wire here. There's a mated terminal here. Everything attaches nicely, heat shrink over it, and as I said, completely reversible, completely cut free. That is how we are doing the DRL auto flasher kit on this particular truck, and the same is going to apply for the reverse kit.